Did you think R&B was just an American thing? Think again. French R&B has been delivering quality music for decades. From Paris to Montreal, French R&B mirrors its American counterpart, but brings distinct influences to the table. While US R&B is rooted in urban culture and gospel, French R&B blends Afro-Caribbean rhythms with Parisian elegance, creating a unique sonic identity. Think bold beats, lyrical vulnerability, and a touch of global flair. Let me show you some examples.
Je sais qu'il est temps de partager mon sang et d'élever au rang de reine, au rang de reine.